Welcome. Hello people of the interweb. I am going to be doing another video, as you can kind of tell, but this video is going to be different from my last few that I've done. I'm going to be doing more of a trendy type video. I'm going to be copying Madeyoulook. Madeyoulook. Yeah, you... Oh, my headphone fell out. Right. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm going to be copying a Madeyoulook tutorial. She has quite a few body painting videos and a few, like a small bit of FX. As I was looking through them, I thought I'm going to challenge myself. I'm going to do a body painting tutorial, hence why I look naked right now. I'm not. I missed that grab, but I'm not naked. Yeah, I am going to be copying her Harley Quinn tutorial, and I am going to shut up and I am going to watch the video, like right now.
I never knew that our romance had ended until you poisoned my food. Face it, Harl, this stinks. You're a certified nutso wanted in 12 states and you're hopelessly in love with a psychopathic clown. Hey, Puddin'!
In this tutorial, I'm going over the well-known character Harley Quinn, even though I'm the Joker's first love, but we're not going to get into that. All products used may be listed somewhere around the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to contact me. Oh my god, where did my head go? I want to make sure you guys can actually see what I was doing. I'm starting off by painting on 3 white circles using white body paints.
Sorry, I had to switch to voiceover because there was a lot of noise in the background. But yeah, I'm basically just copying her, and I was finding it extremely difficult. I don't know if you could tell by my messy circles. Also, along this line, my camera decided to cut out, and you missed another bit of her video and how I did that. But it does show up in the end when I was doing the next clip. But yeah, I just painted, I did wiggly lines and painted it. Yeah, that's what happened.
And looping all 3 of those circles together, as well as filling in that entire section using a foundation brush. Outlining is like the most satisfying thing ever. I don't know why, it just always looks so nice. I'm outlining my entire left side using red body paint and then switching to a bigger brush and filling in that whole section. Also, don't forget to fill in half of your neck. I'm then outlining the other side using black body paint, filling it in and also filling in my neck.
I am now going to do what she did, but a lot worse, because I have no experience with body paint, and it went everywhere. So enjoy me attempting to do what she did. I am then going to get the black paint and do the same to the other side, because that's what she did. And it also cuts out, I think, along here. But yeah, just do the same, but on, so using black and the other side. Yeah.
I know. To start off some soft shading on the red side, I'm using dark red eyeshadow and just shading around the collar, as well as where the 2 halves come together, around my sides and also around where my arm bends.
Got that.
To define the shading even more, I mixed red and black body paint together, and I'm going around the same areas, as well as adding some wrinkles where the 2 fabrics would connect and adding some definition to muscles on my arm. On the black side, obviously, because black shadows aren't going to show up, I'm going to be going in with a highlight. I'm taking white body paint and adding creases where the 2 fabrics tie together, as well as on my side, around the collar, which you want to leave a little bit of what would be a shadow as well there. And I'm also adding some highlights to the red side as well.
Okay. See, I told you my camera will cut out, but I think you got the rough idea. I just basically did what she did, as you can see on my red side. And now we're going to do the black side. And yeah, I found it really difficult. As you can tell throughout the whole video, I've been struggling. And yeah, it's basically me just trying to do something good. Like, you know, I end up having to rub it all off, try it again. Not the whole thing off, but like all the highlights I made. I had to rub it off with cover it black like I'm doing now. It was so difficult. Why is it so hard to paint one line of white on black? I don't get it.
Using white body paint and a foundation brush, I'm then painting my face white and leaving open the mask for now. Also, don't forget to paint your one ear red and your other ear black. For on my eyes itself, I'm lightly applying white body paint and then setting that using white eyeshadow. Go ahead and line your eyes. I'm using the Night Owl eyeliner.
I didn't realise the little video clip in the bottom had went, so I'm sorry about that. I can't fix it now. Okay.
Then going in with white body paint and creating highlights on each side of the mask. You can then go ahead and fill in your mask using black body paint. I'm also adding some extra white highlights in there as well. Just to define the mask a little bit more, I'm using gray eyeshadow and putting that right underneath the mask to create a slight shadow on my face. For my lips, I mixed together red and black body paint, and I also extended the lips to a little bit more of a point to kind of give a little nod to Mr. J.
I guess that's the end of my video. I am actually really sorry about the lighting. I thought I'd get this done quite quickly while the sun's still up, but as you can see throughout, it started really bright and slightly got dimmer. I'm really sorry about that, but you can't help. I haven't got any proper lights yet, but hopefully I will get some soon. Sooner the better. But yeah, this is my version of attempting to do body paint of her version. And yeah, please give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel if you really want to. See more stuff like this, or if you want to see me just do basic SFX and gory makeup. The next makeup I will be doing will be gory. Just for a heads up, I might do something small on the hand, or I might be doing something big on the face. Most likely something small on the hand, and we'll be showing you how to do that stuff. But if you want to see more videos of me like trying to copy someone else's makeup tutorial, just let me know and I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye!